Hello everyone and welcome to another GrandStream tutorial. In today's guide, we will be going over how to create an IVR, and we will be configuring the basic settings of an IVR, as well as the key pressing events that will be utilized to route calls into the system. An IVR is referred to as an interactive voice response, otherwise known as an auto attendant. The IVR allows you to utilize DTMF to route calls appropriately to the desired destination into the UCM. Some possible options include extension, ring groups, call queues, dial by name, multimedia meetings, external numbers, and many others. The IVR allows you to route calls to multiple destinations through the use of a single inbound number or direct callers to the correct departments. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, please make sure the UCM is upgraded to the latest version available in our firmware resource page at www.grandstream.com/support/firmware. The IVR can be found in the UCM web interface under Call Features. To create a new IVR, press the Add key. The Basic Settings tab allows you to choose how the IVR behaves. You can select the prompt that will play when callers are routed to the IVR, as well as the invalid input prompt when a user presses the wrong button. You can also set values like digit timeout, response timeout prompt, and invalid input prompt repeats in order to configure the IVR to your needs. For this example, we will leave the Basic Settings tab as default. On the Basic Settings tab, you will need to fill in the following fields. The name field is meant to identify the IVR being configured so that the IVR can be distinguished amongst others on the system. The extension field is meant to define the actual extension number within the UCM so that internal users can transfer callers to the IVR. The prompt option is to select the prompt that will be played when callers reach the IVR. The digit timeout option defines the time that the user has in order to enter the next digit before the PBX considers the entry complete. The default value is 3. The response timeout option defines the amount of time after the IVR prompt is played, where if no digit entry is detected, the IVR will either repeat the prompt or be redirected to the timeout destination located on the Key Pressing Events tab. This is dependent on what is specified under the response timeout prompt repeats and invalid input prompt repeats. Now we will move on to the Key Pressing Events. The Key Pressing Events tab allows you to assign a destination to each key. You have the choice of either standard key event type and custom key event type. Standard is the basic digits 0 through 9 options that are static, and each can be assigned a destination. The custom type offers the ability to create custom values not limited to 0 through 9, so you can define your own digit combination of up to 8 characters, which can include stars. Note that after enabling custom event type, the Dial Other Extensions feature on the Basic Settings page will not be supported. With the standard key event type, you can configure each key 0 through 9 and star to be assigned to any destination at the designated time condition. In this example, we will configure the key pressing events to allow selection of an extension, a ring group, an external number, and to hang up. On the Key Pressing Events tab for key 0, we will set the destination to extension. This will be the option for the operator, so we will set this value to the operator's extension. For key 1, set the destination for ring group. This should allow you to select from pre-configured ring groups on the system. For key 2, set the destination for the external number. We will define an external number that the system will call when this option is selected. Finally, for key 4, set the destination to hang up. Now we will create a prompt recording to match our newly created IVR so that callers can listen for the options configured and help the callers make a selection. To record new custom prompt, in the UCM web interface, navigate to PBX Settings, Voice Prompt, Custom Prompt, and click on the Record New Custom Prompt and follow these steps. Specify the custom prompt file name. Select the format for the IVR prompt file to be recorded. GSM is recommended if you do not plan to export the file to edit elsewhere. WAV is more storage intensive, but is more compatible with applications. Select the extension to receive the call from the UCM to record the IVR prompt. Click the Record button. A call will be initiated to the selected extension. Pick up the call and start recording your voice prompt. The recorded file will be listed in the IVR prompt web page. Users could select to re-record, play, download, or delete the recordings. To upload a custom prompt, click on Upload Custom Prompt. If you plan to upload a pre-recorded voice prompt, the file format and requirements will be listed on screen for .wav files. MP3 files will automatically be converted to the correct formats once uploaded to the UCM. Click on Choose File to upload to select an audio file from the local PC and start uploading it. Once uploaded, the file will appear on the custom prompt web page. Once the prompt has been recorded, you can select it from the prompt field in our configured IVR under the Basic Settings tab. Once that is updated, you are ready to apply the IVR to the inbound route. To direct callers to the IVR, we would need to configure the default destination of the inbound routes. Navigate to extension trunk Inbound Routes. Under Default Mode section, configure default destination to the IVR configured. Callers will now be directed to the IVR and will be able to select their destination accordingly.
This concludes today's video guide about the basic configuration of the IVR. Stay tuned for more video guides.